Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing simple Feng Shui tips to support your health and wellness. So a healthy lifestyle starts at home, and our home nurtures us, and it provides us with stability and comfort, and it promotes balance. So when we feel good in our home, we feel good in our life. And more specifically, we can improve our health by creating a balanced environment that fills us with good vibes, while we're there. And then this positive energy helps to support us in all the other areas of our life, whether it's our relationships or our work or just how we show up in the world. This is my horse Rio, by the way. Just as we prioritize our exercise routine, our nutrition, the quality of foods that we eat, even our mindfulness and meditations and yoga, acupuncture, all these things, we place emphasis on all these things. We should also place emphasis on our home environment because it's crucial to feeling our best and supporting our health. So this video really shares several ways for you to incorporate Feng Shui into your lifestyle and your health. And like I mentioned, your health begins at home. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video for valuable tips. Before we begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. So be sure to stay till the end of the video for the announcement on this. Also, feel free to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you get started with Feng Shui, and the link is in the description. And with that, let's get started. Creating a supportive home environment is part of living a healthy, holistic lifestyle. And when we take time to improve our environment, we create a space that is nourishing and grounding. And the idea here is to live happily and find solace in your home. As we start to make choices to benefit our wellness, we may feel inspired to look deeper into what improvements we can also make to benefit our health and lifestyle. And this is where you can create well-being inside your home with Feng Shui. So from a Feng Shui perspective, we honor health by supporting the center of our home. And this is the area of the home that represents our physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being, and this is how those things show up in our life. So like the physical shows up as like exercise, being outdoors, any kind of movement, yoga. Emotion is healthy, happy relationships, doing what you love, and nurturing yourself. And then spiritual represents your meditation, time for yourself, and any kind of spiritual pursuit. And we need all of these aspects to feel balanced and centered and living our best. And Feng Shui evaluates the center of our home to really reveal and strengthen any health conditions and create balance. So in Feng Shui, there are 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And the element associated with health is the earth element. And earth is secure, grounded. It's the element that can bring comfort and balance and ease to your life. Too much earth can slow you down, so you might find that maybe clutter is in your way. But not having enough earth in your life or in your home can leave you feeling kind of off kilter or ungrounded. And so to promote a grounded, comfortable home, we want to look for ways to add the earth-related items to your home. So we might add like earth tones, like the colors of yellow, brown, orange, terracotta, and we could also bring in rocks and pottery and substances made of earth. And also you could bring in art that depicts outdoors, mountains, and even furniture that is really comfortable and soothing and soft. Materials that are cozy, and any kind of items that have happy memories and thoughts to you. Most people, especially women, are really sensitive to their environments and how their space makes them feel. And so we notice the energy of what surrounds us. So as you look to create improvements in your home, here are also some ideas that represent a good, healthy environment and a comfortable environment. So think about bringing some happy pictures of family and favorite mementos that represent your favorite memories. And bring in comfortable furniture that provides a place for healthy relaxation. And bring in uplifting artwork that provides positive affirmations. And bring in warm, soothing colors that comfort and slow down the fast-paced life. If you have a clean, open kitchen, this really inspires healthy meals and gathering together. And of course, anytime we have clutter-free and organized area, where everything has its own space where the chi can really flow, it's going to feel more grounded. We could also bring in healthy plants, bowls of fresh fruit, or natural lighting to bring in that positive environment. You also want to create a relaxing living space that provides at least one quiet space where you can go for contemplation, quiet time, meditation, and just feeling really grounded. Our environment reflects what is going on inside of us, and it provides a visual idea for creating positive change. So when we connect with our environments, we can even see patterns, memories, and the energy that supports or detracts from our life. So like the objects, the art, the color, and the colors that we have all accentuates our feelings and our life experiences. So when we recognize the ways in which our environment can help us change, we really open up a whole new canvas for our life. And Feng Shui is the practice of utilizing one's environment for positive change, which can also, again, affect your life and your health and your well-being, right? So using your home to create a balanced environment is kind of like creating a vision board within your surroundings. And you can learn to understand the energetic forces within your space and change your environment to enhance and improve the quality of your life. Here's a few key areas of your home and lifestyle that you can support for really good health. So first of all, from a Feng Shui standpoint, we want to make sure that your bedroom really supports you. My doctor explained to me that ample rest, like 6 to 8 hours of sleep per night, cures many ailments, yet we often look for a pill to fix what a consistent good night's sleep can do for us. So from a Feng Shui standpoint, this means that we really should honor our bedroom and to promote a good night's sleep. So reserve the bedroom for sleep and passion. Keep computers, bills, TV, exercise, equipment, clutter, family photos, and mirrors, and all the busy stuff in the living areas of your home. And most importantly, when you make updates to your home, make sure you start with the master bedroom, because it may seem that other areas are more important, but take care of yourself first and make sure you start with your bedroom. If you have questions about Feng Shui for the bedroom, be sure to check out my video. Another key area is for creating a meditation room. So whether it's for reading or quiet time, but having that space where you can have one area that provides you with a space to go for uninterrupted quiet time, yoga, meditation, all those activities that calm you down are really good for your health. And so you might want to include like a comfortable chair or a bookshelf with all your favorite spirituality books or your yoga mat. Whatever it is that's nourishing to you needs to go in this one space. If you're interested in learning more about Feng Shui and meditation, be sure to check out my previous video on meditation. Another key area in your home that would support your health would be creating a workout area. This could be an extra guest room, a basement, or part of a garage or loft. Anything that you can put your exercise equipment or just work out there, and then make sure you schedule the time. But sometimes having a place at home is easier so that you can get your workouts in without having to go somewhere. The other thing we want to consider is what is outside your home and in the surrounding community. Do you live in a neighborhood that encourages good health? Is there a gym or hiking trails nearby? Or places to climb mountains or ride horses or surf the waves, or a studio to practice your yoga? If you are passionate about making time for any of these, make sure that they are accessible to your home so they can become an active part of your lifestyle and not just a passing thought. One important aspect to a healthy lifestyle is setting intentions. So when you clean your house and rearrange your furnishings, it's one thing, but when you make these changes and add intention with the understanding of why you are letting go of an item or moving furniture or changing wall color, it can be the catalyst for a positive change and transformation in your life. Where intention goes, energy flows. So changes to your environment can be subtle, and not all Feng Shui intentions require major home improvement. Oftentimes it's as easy as removing items that have negative memories or hanging artwork that promotes a new direction of life that you seek. And lastly, let's talk about the power of letting go. We often keep things around us that have old memories, but the question becomes, do you love them? Do you need them? Are they supportive? Are they relevant to your life today? It's important that our space reveals and reflects who we are today and that it remains current as we go through life's changes. It's natural to keep things that have a meaning to us. In fact, this is healthy, especially when those things have positive, supportive energy. However, over time, we tend to accumulate a lot of stuff, and some of it is no longer supportive to us. And sometimes it could even be holding us back. Things that we may not realize as having an impact are actually pulling our energy from us. So even small items can have a tremendous meaning, and when we understand what they represent and how they affect our energy in our homes and in our lives, we can start to look around our space and determine what feels heavy and be willing to let that go. There are also ways to potentially repurpose these items, but the whole idea is that when we let go of what no longer serves us or useful, it really leaves the space for something that is supportive and wonderful. It's imperative that we keep our space up to date with where we are today in our lives. Holding on to old stuff keeps us trapped in an old energetic pattern that are no longer really serving us. And so that's why letting go can be so powerful. So you want to create space for that new flow of energy. When you take time to really see what's in your space, it can have a direct correlation on the flow of energy in your life that then impacts your health and well-being. Our environment is so conducive to how we feel, and it's important that we regularly take time to review our space. So my hope is that these ideas help you find balance and stability in your health and your life. And on that note, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new weekly video. And I'm very excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for a free 45-minute one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and to begin to create a plan for opening up the blocks of energy. We will also see if the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program will work for you. So click the link in the description to sign up, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. The Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program helps you create a peaceful and beautiful home that improves your prosperity, your relationships, and your well-being. And it's designed to help you create a plan for arranging your home and for providing support for you to live intentionally and to live a healthy lifestyle. We typically work with individuals who may be moving into, building, or renovating their homes, or they're looking to enhance the energy in their forever homes. My clients are those who want to use a holistic approach to improving the energy in their homes and put a real focus on honoring their personal chi. So when you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to actually see the space for yourself. And our program really helps you design a plan that ensures that you create a space that you love and that is intentional. So be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd really love to meet with you. And my free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click that link in the description as well. It's a really great community and it grows every day, and it's a really wonderful way to connect with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.